Okay guys, so I'm going to start by frying, guys. I'm going to start cooking by frying the fish. Yes. So I think it is hot enough. So let's fry the big one, guys. The big one first. Maybe I have to cut the tail. So guys, our fried fish is cooked already. We are going to cook escabeche a la JOBY MAY. So our fish is fried already, guys. And we have our onion. You can put onion as many as you want. And also vegetables, guys, as many as you want. So we have our red and green bell peppers. Yes guys, so these are the only ingredients that you need. Okay, so let's get started. Now guys, let's put the onion. Once the onion is half cooked, then we can put the green and red peppers. Okay guys, so it's already half cooked, and now let's put the rest of the vegetables. And of course guys, I forgot tomatoes. And guys, I sliced 2 tomatoes, so let's add in. Let's add salt. Hintayin lang natin guys na maluto yung tomato konti, and then luto na siya. Luto na guys ang ating gulay. So guys, ito na ang ating escabeche a la JOBY MAY.